you can speak 5 languages? Yes, I can speak Indonesian, English, Japanese, French, and little Arabic.
Wow, that's amazing. How can you do that?
I love languages. I want to travel the world someday. So I started learning early. I can speak English too, but only a little. I want to get better.
Me too, I want to learn Japanese. Can you teach me?
Sure, I can help you good after school.
Maybe we can start a language club.
That's great. I want to join too. Good idea. Let's talk